They mistook my kindness for weakness. I fucked up, I know that, but Jesus, can a girl?
Aku ni bukan apa, tapi
Wanna go out? Okay.
You have to tap the screen to get them. Butter? You just got all of them?
I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal. You're gonna kill somebody. Daddy?
Do I look?
Merv, I have your smelly bird. Merv. Oh, Merv.
Okay.
I'm just a baby.
But you still had to say, okay, Mom.
I'm just a baby.
I got a
Stop it! Get out of here!
Wow. I didn't know that. I just, you're telling me now for the first time.
Baby? No. Cat.
That's my boy. No, my boy! Father, help!
Kiss your cat and see their reaction.
This is the domestic short hair. A long tail, big nuts, spread, and a big nice face.
Buenos días. ¿Tiene cola loca? Claro que sí.
So you have a jealous dog without saying you have a jealous dog.
Let's go get our skates. Wait for me, I got little legs. Here, lay down somewhere. Good girl.
Da-da-da-da-da, hey! Da-da-da-da, hey! Da-da.
Was waiting for my Chipotle, and I saw this dog. Oh, hello.
Take it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
No! There's Melanie. That's a shame. She was really nice.
Hey, Garfy, Garfy.
This is Banksy calling for us. Hi, baby, we're here. Hi. Hi, yeah. Hi, sweetie pie.
Macaroni with the chicken strips.
Sometimes I gotta beat the ladies off with a stick. Back, woman! Back, I said!
But the worst part of it is...
Good grief, he's naked!
Who is that? Is that you? Is that you?
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
The boy who lived has come to die.
Shakira, ¿eres tú? Wow.
I'm not fat, okay? I'm just really, really easy to see.
Cookie! It's my little cookie! You did it, baby! You did it! Feel the cheekies! My little cookie's back!
他说不敢动了，有点，你给他放那看看。他好像跟面包似的。
Good boy. Okay, now other eye. Don't move. But you have to look up. Okay, good boy. Good boy.
No. 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 No.
You wanna put on your jammies? You have your jams on? Alright. So handsome, Bubba's. Love it.
Look at their smiles. She's so cute.
Spank that butt. Let me spank that butt.
That cat is a real cute sneezer.
I would like to see the baby.
Most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood. Teeth like razors.
What is this? Ben, I need to borrow some soap.
Oh, just a minute.
What? Dude, what are these?
Those are just, I'm borrowing those.
said no more animals, dude.
I don't have any
what
more
are
animals,
you,
man.
with? A possum?
What?
Take him home. Baby, can we get him? Please? Sluggy takoy.
Look at Santa's little helper. Are you Santa's little helper? Hey, no bite! No bite! That's not what little Santa helper do.
I found Poppy again. Look how she just holding it by herself. Who's my little girl? Oh, you dropped it. Here you go, my queen. Look how she just holding it. I love her. Good night, my little angel. Hang in there, Julie.
How do you feel about this project we got going on, huh? That's what I was thinking too. But, you know, what about you? Okay.
Kai found his favorite spot in the yard. Hey, boy. Come. Come. Good boy.